We can also have a system of linear inequalities, and this is the same as a system of linear equations where we have more than one inequality. And in order to graph these, there's basically just two steps. Step one is to graph the linear inequality separately, and then step two is you want to see where their shadings intersect each other, and so that intersection is going to be our solution. So we'll demonstrate this using our example. So first of all, we have 2x plus y greater than or equal to 5. We first need to solve this and put it in slope-intercept form. We do that by subtracting 2x from both sides. And so we have y greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 5. And then doing the same thing for the second equation, subtracting 4x from both sides. And then dividing both sides by negative 2. Since we're dividing by a negative, we need to switch our inequality sign, making that less than or equal to. Okay, so our two inequalities that we're graphing is y greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 5 and y less than or equal to 2x minus 3. So we're first going to graph y equal negative 2x plus 5. We do that by graphing the y-intercept is a positive 5, and then the slope is negative 2 over 1. That tells us to go down 2 and to the right 1. And draw our line through those 2 points. Okay, and now which way is this going to be shaded? Well, it's going to be a solid line because it's greater than or equal to. And since it's greater than means that we shade above this line. So we're shading above our line y equal negative 2x plus 5. And then we'll do the same thing for y less than or equal to 2x minus 3. For this inequality, the y-intercept is at negative 3. And the slope is 2 over 1, so we go up 2 and to the right 1. And we draw our line through that. And this one is also solid because it's less than or equal to, and is less than, so we're shading below our blue line. So all this is part of step one. We're graphing each of the linear inequalities. And then for our final answer, we want to see where do our graphs intersect? Where does red overlap blue? And red overlaps blue in this region here. So our final answer should be everything that's in the green that I just made. And so you would erase everything else because it is not part of your final solution.